So we took you out on this job just to show you how a hydrophone can pick up these leaks and structural cracks, especially in this pool in the deep end. Watch what happens when we pull it over and listen. That's the actual sound of the leak that you're hearing, water escaping through the crack. Next, we're gonna show you, we're gonna wind up doing this repair. So we're gonna map and mist the pool, drain it out, get it nice and clean. We're gonna mark everything out. We're gonna use our big saw. We're not cutting all the way through the pool, we're just cutting down past the plaster and these pebbles. It gets a little difficult. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark our staples, set the template, we're gonna chip it out and get everything chipped up and real nice and clean. This is what it looks like when it's clean and we're ready to set staples. Then we set our staples, we torque them down. This is what it looks like after we set everything up. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cover that with spec mix. After we use the spec mix, we wanna show you, we use a waterproofing material. This covers everything. So in other words, is we cover everything on the inside with that waterproofing material, then we're gonna clean it out and we're gonna go to pebble teching this. Again, it looks dark here, but watch what happens when we rinse off the plaster, off the cream, off the top. We get it all nice and cleaned out. You can see the patchwork, looks great.